The dashboard is one of the important parts of Sales Talk. This is where you can see what's truly is happening right now. So the main dashboard will show you if you have visitor track installed, how many visitors you had, if you have tasks to do, but also show like who clicked and opened the email, how many accounts and people do you actually have active in your playbook. And if you use automation, that will show as well. We also have specific dashboard for automation. So you have one general for everything you do that shows the total number of emails sent, the open rate, bounce rate, click rate, but also for LinkedIn, number of connection requests sent, number of accepted, number of visits you did, how many messages you sent, and your reply rate. We also show if you do one-to-one personalization, how many did you start, how many are pending, how many executed, and how many right now are ready for you to execute inside the platform. If you click out right here, you can see automations one by one. So I have one example, semiconductors global marketing. We know precisely how many people open, how many emails we sent, the open rate, click rate if there's a link, reply rate, bounce rate if we had bad data in that one. Typically that happens when you import a CSV file from a third party. You also see how many connection requests again, how many accepted, how many visits you did, messages, how many replied, and again one-to-one. If you click right here on contacts, you'll be able to see who accepted your LinkedIn request to open, who are in the campaign, again who opened the email, who replied to your email, who replied on LinkedIn, accepted your LinkedIn, so you have a full overview of what's going on. That is the dashboard, and that's where you get all the insight of how you're doing, and it's always a great idea to go and check your campaigns and exactly you know precisely who accepted you, who replied on LinkedIn, who replied on emails, and use that as data on your entire campaign to understand how you do and where you can optimize it, which you'll learn more about in the other part of the bootcamp.